Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about the ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion are important concepts that you can apply in daily life. For example, if you want to compare the amount of milk that you will drink with your brother or sister, or the amount of each ingredient your mother uses when baking a cake or cooking your family's favorite recipe, you use ratio and proportion. In this blog, you will know the concept of ratio and proportion. You will also learn to solve problems involving direct, partitive, and inverse proportion. You will realize that there are numerous situations in which you can apply your knowledge in ratio and proportion. So let's get started. Here's the problem. In mathematics club, there are 16 boys and 24 girls who are active members. What is the ratio of boys to girls, and how about the ratio of girls to boys? In this problem, we have 16 boys and 24 girls. And the question is, what is the ratio of boys to girls and the ratio of girls to boys? To answer this problem, let us find out first what ratio is. A ratio is the quotient of two numbers that is used to compare one quantity to another. The ratio of boys to girls is the same as 16 is to 24 or 16 over 24. And the ratio of girls to boys is the same as 24 is to 16 or 24 over 16. A ratio can be expressed in two ways. These are done by using a colon or by using a fraction. Ratio can be reduced into simplest form just like fractions. To get the simplest form of 16 over 24, let us divide both sides by 8. 16 divided 8 is equal to 2, and 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So the ratio of boys to girls in simplest form is 2 is to 3. Also, to get the simplest form of 24 over 16, let us divide both sides by 8. So 24 divided 8 is equal to 3, and 16 divided 8 is equal to 2. So therefore, the ratio of girls to boys in simplest form is 3 is to 2. Next problem is about proportion. Jake and Mark have ball collections. Jake has 3 red balls and 5 blue balls. Mark has 6 red balls and 10 blue balls. The question is, what is the ratio of Jake's red balls to his blue balls, and what is the ratio of Mark's red balls to his blue balls? Jake has 3 red balls and 5 blue balls. Mark has 6 red balls and 10 blue balls. Jake has 3 red balls and 5 blue balls. And Mark has 6 red balls and 10 blue balls. To check whether the two ratios form a proportion, you could use cross multiplication. This way you obtain and compare cross products. Cross multiplication, it goes like this: 3 and 10, 5 and 6. 3 times 10 and 5 times 6. 3 times 10 is equal to 30, and 5 times 6 is equal to 30. So therefore, 30 is equal to 30. The products are equal, hence the two ratios form a proportion. Okay, so 3:5 is equal to 6:10. 5 and 6, this is what we call the means. While the 3 and 10, this is what we call the extremes.